Why do you eat food? What do you think happens next after swallowing the food? What system changes the food into substances that can be absorbed by the body cells? The digestive system. Food is needed in our body. It is needed to carry out all our body processes and activities. Food provides nutrients for growth, repair, and energy of the body. However, the body cannot use the food you eat right away. Food needs to be digested and processed inside your body. Digestion is the process by which food is changed into simpler substances that can be used by the body cells to produce energy. Functions of the digestive system. By the time you place food in your mouth, the digestive system starts working. The mouth, the esophagus, stomach, and small and large intestines work together to break down foods so that the body will absorb food nutrients. There are three main functions of the digestive system. 1. Break down food into smaller portions. 2. Absorbs nutrients into the bloodstream and transfers nutrients to the cell to produce energy. And the last, aids in elimination process of undigested food. Parts of the digestive system. Number 1. Mouth. Open your mouth in front of the mirror. What are the structures you can see? The teeth and tongue are involved in the digestion of food in the mouth. Some of your teeth are pointed and others are flat and white. Your front teeth have sharp edges for biting and cutting foods. These are called incisors. The pointed teeth are canines, which grip and tear food. Next to each canine are the premolars. Premolars crush and grind the food. Toward the back of your mouth are molars. Molars are flat teeth used for chewing food. All your teeth work together to break food into tiny pieces. The tongue moves the food so that the teeth can chew them well. The organs that involve in digestion and its characteristics. Number 1. Esophagus. The esophagus is a long muscular tube that connects the pharynx to the throat to the stomach. The wall of the esophagus is lined with smooth muscles that contract rhythmically to move the food through the digestive system in the process called peristalsis. Number 2. Stomach. The stomach is the large J-shaped organ at the end of the esophagus on the left side of the body. The capacity of the stomach is 50 ml when empty and can expand up to 2 to 4 liters when full. The end of the stomach has a sphincter muscles that closes and opens to allow the flow from the esophagus to the stomach. Number 3. Liver. The liver is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile that helps digest fats. The bile is stored in a small pouch called the gallbladder. Bile has substances that aid in the digestion of fats or lipids. Number 4. The pancreas. The pancreas produces pancreatic juices that neutralize the acidic stomach contents before they are moved into the small intestine. The pancreas also secretes lipase an enzyme that breaks fat molecules. Number 5, the small intestine. The small intestine is the narrow coiled tube connected to the stomach. If it is stretched, it is about 7 meters long. There are 3 parts of small intestine: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The duodenum is the upper 20 centimeters connected to the stomach. The jejunum is about 2.5 meters long, and the ileum is the longest, half coiled through the abdominal cavity. Number 6, large intestine. The large intestine or colon is a large coiled tube attached to the end of the small intestine. It is also about 1.3 meters long, which includes the colon, rectum, and appendix, and twice as wide as the small intestine. The last 20 or 30 centimeters of the colon is called rectum. That ends our lesson for today, and I'm inviting you again on the next video lesson for the parts and functions of the digestive system. I am your teacher, Sir Teddy Pagatuan. If you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button.